how to deactivate or delete Facebook account on a PC, laptop, or anything in the desktop browser. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook account within the browser on a desktop computer, Chromebook, Mac, Windows, laptop, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, navigate to facebook.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go up to the top right, select your profile icon, and in the menu that appears, go down and select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, select Settings, and then all we need to do in the Settings and Privacy is go down and find Account Center and then select See More in Account Center. Once in the Account Center, go in the left menu, find Manage Accounts, and then just select Manage next to the account that you want to deactivate or delete. Once you select that, select Deactivation or Deletion, and then we just need to choose if we want to deactivate or delete. Deactivate is simply making it look like we deleted our account, but we can reactivate it anytime by logging in, or you can permanently delete your account where it'll be gone and permanently deleted. You cannot recover it in any way. So I'm going to go to Deactivate Account. Keep in mind, regardless of what you select, the menus will basically be the same. So go ahead and select Continue. If you have any pages or anything like that where you're the sole admin, it'll let you know that. Those will be deleted as well. You can avoid that by adding a new admin. So go ahead and select Continue. They'll ask you to enter your Facebook password. After that, they may ask you why you're deactivating or deleting your account. You may need to confirm one more time that you do indeed want to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. And after that, it'll be deactivated or deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.